Hello. I think this is gonna be the first time I'm gonna be doing some instructional video in this channel regarding diecast. Now this is a Ferrari. Let's just be sure on what model it is. A 1/64 scale Ferrari 365 GTS4, made by Kyosho, Japanese brand, but it is made in China. Right, instructional because what I would want to do is do a wheel swap. If you notice, jumping around on this one. So a wheel swap with Kyosho is very easy because it already comes with a screw, not unlike a Hot Wheels that comes with a rivet and you need to unrivet it. Which involves drilling, sanding, tapping, and so on and so forth. This one, you take the upper body and then there's a middle chassis that locks the wheel into place. Just take that out if I can. It's fairly easy, and the wheels, they're just placed there. They just do that. Not really clipped like a Hot Wheel, so it's fairly easy to take it off. The problem with this wheel is a bent axle. I still have parts coming for an axle because see, the wheels are a little bent, so I'm still gonna return this rim, this pair of wheels, to this car, but for now I would want to swap it out with a wheel from a McLaren F1 that I took out and did a wheel swap for, just so that this car will walk or will drive nicely, because nobody wants a wonky car. See, it now looks like a dune buggy because the wheels are protruding, but at least now it's flat. So let's put the metal body there, put the screw in, screw that in. Not so tight, just right. Still there. Yep. So there it is. Wheels with a bent axle out, and there goes the car. Now it runs. Can you see that it runs fairly flat? It runs fairly flat. But that wheel is hideous. It bulges. But at least the car now runs a little bit better. It doesn't have that wobble. Alright. Kyosho wheel swap. Peace.